What's going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we will be looking at Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, as well as Storm. So shout out to Dylan Spagenburn Fitness TV. Shout out to you. If you guys want to be shouted out in tomorrow's video, please make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, and leave a comment telling me what your favorite altcoin is. Otherwise, let's get on with today's episode. So there's a few things that I wanted to point out today, some unrelated to crypto, some related to crypto. Basically, the unrelated thing is I was actually recently on my YouTube yesterday, and I noticed that there was this interesting pop-up that popped up on mine. I don't know if it's been there, but when I watched my video back, this thing popped up with a notification. So I clicked on it. Basically, it says exactly what it says here. It's a messaging system which says a new way to share on YouTube. You can now share videos and chat about them with friends on YouTube. Send an invitation link. So I don't know how long this is going to be here for, but basically they gave me an invitation link where I can invite certain people, but I want to build a community with you guys. So I'm going to post that invitation link in the description below. So go on to it. Find it in the description. It'll be at the top. Click on it, and then add me to the description. This way we can get a group chat going, and we can talk about more cryptocurrency stuff. Maybe some things about the channel to help build the channel and grow the channel. But yeah, definitely click below on the description, and it's an invite link. I don't know how long this is going to be around for, so make sure you click it at ASAP, if not right now, and get yourself in the group with us. I know a few of you guys have already done it. I've sent it out to a few of you, but definitely click it below, and let's just move on quickly. So I have an article right now that says why choosing Litecoin as ABRA declares support for Litecoin. Weird, but basically this article, I know I've talked about ABRA before, but it says, when it comes to ABRA's smart contract investing choice and solution, the CEO of the platform has added that they are strong supporters of the project of Litecoin, as it would become the primary asset to move forward. So this is what one of the people said. We went with Litecoin as the second asset class after Bitcoin for our smart contract investing solution for three primary reasons. One, commitment to Bitcoin compatibility, core roadmap, P2ish support, don't know what that is, sorry, lightning supports, etc. Slightly better scalability than Bitcoin in short term, mining fees, which are primarily the function of number two, although this is more of a short term benefit, as mining fees would likely skyrocket if we are successful anyway. It says ABRA is not meant to be a trading platform like GDAX or Binance, which I want you guys to know. ABRA is meant to be a simple app for retail investors to get exposure to hard assets. We enable this investment exposure using a synthetic CFD-like model based on P2ish multi-sig scripts on the Litecoin and Bitcoin blockchains. Our goal is to open this up to different asset classes over time, not just the top 20 cryptos and fiat. So I'm assuming this is like, instead of it being like that hardcore trading where you can go back and forth between cryptos, it's more of like a way for companies and corporations and businesses, small businesses, to have a wallet where they can send cryptocurrency to from their clients, their merchants, and have it all in one wallet and have like access to a hard wallet, which is definitely a right direction to be going in. But definitely a cool article to check out. It's on ethereumworldnews.com. And it was posted around an hour ago by Alex Tomczak. So definitely check him out. But I'm just going to get into the TA quickly. Clearly, you guys can see we are still on Litecoin. It's only been a day, so not much has changed. But we are pretty much just scaling this uptrend that you can see we've had for quite a whiles now, all the way from here. We're going up. But we're definitely just hanging out as support here, which I expected to see. Let's see whether or not we hang out slightly and bounce up, or if we're going to just kind of do what we did back in, I think, April, in the beginning of April, and kind of just hugged this for a while and then took off. Definitely something I'm interested in seeing where we're headed. It's almost like we're just going to continue this triangle. Like I almost have to like make it bigger, you know, something like that, because we're still setting higher lows right here, higher lows, and we're still setting these lower highs. So it's really continuing this long-term triangle right here. The fact that we are making lower highs and higher lows is very, very, very interesting. So let's look at Bitcoin right now. And you'll notice that with Bitcoin, we are doing, like I said yesterday, for all you who are new and subscribed, we actually just broke 2,600 subscribers. So shout out to you guys. I want to do a giveaway maybe at 10,000, maybe 5,000, but we got to see how everything goes. But definitely 10,000 will I be doing a giveaway. And we might do some new cool stuff to the channel as well. But you can see with Bitcoin, we're having this downtrend right here. And we're moving to this support level, which I drew in green. And I most likely think we're going to continue down until we can get the support that we need right here. And then potentially bounce up to retest that high-low MMA on the daily right at that level. So I am looking for that bounce right there. So be mindful of that on Bitcoin. Let's check out Ethereum, our last review of the top altcoins, the big cryptos, the big blue chip cryptocurrencies. And as anticipated, you can see by the channel that I drew right here, that's exactly where like Ethereum is headed, and we are kind of just chilling in here using the support. My initial thought is that this is okay and happy, but the longer we hang out in this region, the more of a challenge it's going to be, and the greater of a chance we have to going down. My biggest concern is what's going to happen when we start trading or consolidating right and eventually retesting this, which was support, now resistance for Litecoin. It's going to be very interesting to see whether or not we can break through here. Obviously bullish if we can break through, but very bearish if we can't and we continue to fall below. But definitely pay attention to that. I'm honestly just trying to see some consolidation throughout Litecoin, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. You know, some consolidation here moving sideways, some consolidation here moving downwards, and then just some sideways consolidation with Ethereum. Lastly, let's check out Storm, guys. I don't think I've reviewed Storm. I might have once in the past, but what I want to draw is just some resistance levels. You can see how one being here, we have another right here. Obviously the price level it's at right now is resist or support. Are there more? One here that looks nice. And now let's just draw in maybe some resistance levels. So I want to say this is going to be 1 for the current price. There is an uptrend. This is a nice swing. We can see this is clear-cut resistance right here, but we are on a descending triangle formation, so it'll be interesting to see. You can see how right here there is some support for Litecoin, for Storm. So I'd be very interested if we can break through here. But my biggest thing is I want to say I'm going to draw another resistance real quick. We have here. And then we have right here another channel. Hold on, I already did that. Right here and right here, if it wants to draw that. Okay, so if we can't break through here, which I honestly don't think we will, if we manage to fall, there's a good chance we're going to break up off that. Sorry, right here. We're going to come down and then break up off that. This area right here. Mainly because you can see that's where the big support is for Storm. So I'm definitely anticipating something to happen when we consolidate more over there. If we manage to break down and continue the downtrend, I'm really looking for a move at this level right here. You can see there's some slight support there, and then for sure the bottom right here. But as with any ICO, I don't recommend trading it. They're so new, they're so volatile. I'm not in such a volatile industry that it's just not worth it to me. But that's going to sum up the episode for today, guys. Like I said in the beginning of the episode, if you haven't already, click the invite only code in the description below. I will be posting it. I want you guys to join my group. I guess we'll have some like small invite only group chat that we'll have going. So if you want to be a part of that, click the link below. I hope to have a lot of you guys join, and thank you for the 2,600 subscribers, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.
I know